Say goodbye to the hassle of juggling multiple appliances and pans during breakfast preparation. With the Cuisinart Breakfast Express Waffle and Omelet Maker, you can effortlessly whip up a delicious Belgian waffle and a fluffy omelet simultaneously. This innovative kitchen essential is designed to simplify your mornings, whether you're a cooking novice or a seasoned chef. Join us as we explore the features of the Cuisinart Breakfast Express and discover how it can transform your breakfast routine into a gourmet experience for two. Here are the key features of Cuisinart Breakfast Express Waffle Omelet Maker. The ultimate breakfast time saver. Why settle for just a waffle or an omelet when you can have both? The Cuisinart Breakfast Express allows you to prepare a mouth-watering Belgian waffle and an omelet at the same time. With its convenient design, you can easily add ingredients to one side, close it, flip, and add ingredients to the other side. In just a few minutes, you'll have a delectable breakfast ready to be savored. Say goodbye to the hassle and enjoy a gourmet breakfast for two in no time. Versatility for all your breakfast cravings. The Cuisinart Breakfast Express is not limited to waffles and omelets. This multifunctional appliance is perfect for preparing a variety of breakfast favorites. From pancakes and frittatas to fried eggs and English muffins, the possibilities are endless. Experience the joy of cooking a complete breakfast spread with ease, using one convenient appliance. Enjoy the versatility of the Breakfast Express and elevate your breakfast game. Custom cooking made easy. Achieving the perfect level of browning is a breeze with the Cuisinart Breakfast Express. The adjustable shade control knob allows you to customize the cooking process to suit your preferences. Whether you prefer a light golden brown or a crispy exterior, this feature ensures your waffle and omelet are cooked to perfection every time. With LED lights and audio beep tones, you'll receive clear indications when your food is done and ready to be enjoyed. Effortless cleaning and convenient features. Cleaning up after breakfast is a breeze with the Cuisinart Breakfast Express. The non-stick coating ensures easy food release, making the cleaning process effortless. With the rotary feature, your waffle and omelet will bake evenly on both sides, guaranteeing consistent results. The appliance is designed for easy handling and maneuverability, making breakfast preparation a seamless experience from start to finish. Hassle-free breakfast delivered with excellence. Experience the convenience and excellence of the Cuisinart Breakfast Express. Its 1,400 watts of power deliver quick and efficient cooking, ensuring a satisfying breakfast every time. The LED-ready indicator lights and audio beep tones provide a user-friendly experience, alerting you when each waffle or omelet is perfectly cooked. Start your day with a gourmet breakfast made effortlessly, and enjoy the quality and reliability that Cuisinart brings to your kitchen.